Yo, what's up, guys? Today, guys, we're gonna be unboxing. We bought something from ALVI'S Drift, which is nice. Now I'm just working to get my package quickly. Then after that, I'll go home and unbox it and show you what we got, guys. But besides anything else, guys, if you like what you see and like enjoy what you do, guys, here, remember to click the subscribe button, leave a like, and leave those comments below. Otherwise, look at the beautiful sky behind me, and let's get this video started. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Guys, got our thing, and the truck I think that's behind us. See? Buying behind us. There it is. But anyway, we've got our stuff. Now it's time to go home and unbox this amazing thing. Anyway, let's open this gate here. See, guys, we walk. This is good. This comes from here, guys. Wow. It took, I think it's like 1 day. Yeah, it took 1 day, guys. We just arrived, so they deliver very quickly. They don't waste time. It's like we ordered it yesterday, and today it's here. Like, sheesh, that's quick. Anyway, let's get to open it. I'm gonna rush home. Yeah, let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We just took a wonderful walk. You know, it's Cape Town afternoon. We got good winds, but we got a lovely box here. I'm still figuring out how to open it. I think I'm gonna do this, slice at the top, guys. We got cool things from ALVI'S Drift, guys. As you've seen on my tiny short videos, for those who watch my short videos, you know, thank you so much. But you know, for my small videos, guys, we have unboxed or tasted ALVI'S Drift wines a couple of times. But today, we went to their website and bought the white wine summer special, which is this, and we have to see what they bring to us, what they give you. It's a special that's around 430 something, right? Which is the cost. Then after that, you add your delivery fee on top. But what you get, guys, it's a nice paper here. I don't know if you can see it here. It has cycles on it to show you which wines they gave you. So right now, they're just cycled in this picture to show you what it is, and yeah, so now we're gonna actually see what it is, but it's a cool thing to have. We're gonna keep it to the side. So first thing, what we're gonna have is, we're gonna put it in front of you here. So we get Chenin Blanc, guys, there it is, the first one, boom. This is gonna be like a cool lineup, guys. And they gave us another Chenin Blanc. So 294 Chenin Blanc, 2 Chenin Blancs. You know, it's a lineup. I'm making my own lineup here. And I'm gonna go to the right. So I go left and right. After that, whoa, it looks cool. We got a Sauvignon Blanc 2023, guys. There it is, with a lot of medals and gold on what? You see, I told you. It's a formation here. It's a formation, and they doubled up again. Sauvignon Blanc 2023 formation. Woo, let's go! Then after that, this is usually my favorite. It's an ALVI'S Drift CVC Chenin Blanc Viognier Chardonnay Reserve 2022, guys. There it is, guys, CVC. So it's a Chardonnay Blanc Viognier okay, it's a Chenin Blanc Viognier Chardonnay Reserve 2022, guys. This is like now we are talking, guys. Also, I'm sure they doubled it up. Woo. There it is, guys. There it is. That's our box for today, guys. Sadly, we're not gonna open them today. We'll open them on our smaller videos to show you how it is. But look at this, for 400 and something. I don't remember, what's that paper? I have to look for the paper they gave us. Let me get the paper they gave us quickly, if I can find it as fast as I go. Yeah, I've got the paper here. It is 575 for all of this. So yeah, good price. And also you add some rand for for the 75 rand for the delivery fee, which is here. Yeah, there it is, guys. We're gonna be enjoying some cool wines, and here they do explain the wines and what you're getting and what you're not getting. About yeah, there's a lot of things that they explain here with all these multiple winning awards. Basically, multiple winning awards. These two and the Chenin Blanc, guys. I'm not a fan of Chenin Blanc, but it's gonna be cool to get it there. And yeah, after that, maybe in the next time we will pick a different kind of mixed match box. But this was a cool one. This is a summer wine white wine box, which was really nice. So I hope you enjoy our small unboxing, guys, and who's gonna enjoy opening these wines. Beware, I will be doing small videos, not short videos. Watch our short videos, we'll be enjoying it. Otherwise, see you guys next time when you're out and about doing things, unboxing and doing things. Alright, we're out of here. Goodbye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.